If you want to cancel your Tidal free trial, follow these straightforward steps to ensure you won't be charged once the trial period ends. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Tidal website or open the Tidal app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find subscription information. Look for the subscription or billing section within your account settings. This area will provide details about your current plan and trial status. Step 4. Select Cancel Trial. In the subscription section, you should see an option to cancel your trial. Click on this option to proceed with the cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to check for any confirmation message or email to ensure that your trial has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Tidal free trial before any charges occur. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Tidal's customer support for assistance.